guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you're here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe, so that you don't miss out on any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. And if you are not a new subscriber, if you're a returning subscriber, you already know that I would die for you. Literally, I would take a bullet if you need me to. So I toured the Kendrick Broadstone apartments, and oh my gosh, you guys, this place was hot. This place literally was so pretty. There are two buildings. There are the East and the West building, and I think I toured the East building, which is like a more dark, sexy, sultry type of vibe. And the other side is going to be more like a Zen garden, just very like white, light, airy. It's not done. The west side will be finished probably around May 1st is what I was told, but don't quote me on that because I don't work there, so I don't know for sure. This is what the other building is gonna look like. Very like angelic, I guess you could say. That's like the kind of vibe that I'm getting. Let me take you guys to maps really quick and show you exactly where this place is located. That way you guys can have a better idea, and yeah. So, like always, the red pin is exactly where these apartments are located. As you can see, they literally have so many things around in the area. There is a specific area called Restaurant Row. I'm not 100% sure where that is located while looking on the map. I apologize for that. But you are basically downtown. You're not far from it. You can literally take, what is this, 18th Ave, all the way down to Broadway or Lincoln, and go up to whatever. You can go north or south, either or, but you're basically downtown. Here are the universities, and the downtown area is just up here. So as you can see, I would say to the heart of downtown is probably a 10-minute drive. Let's go over the fees really quick before we get into the apartment itself. So the basics: application fee $13, holding deposit $200, administrative fee $250, security deposit $500, parking, standard parking $125, bike rack parking $150, and I think that means like in front of your parking spot you have a bike rack, so it's like in your parking spot. Premier parking $175, EV parking $200, secondary vehicle 2x2s only $200. Storage, open cage storage, covered cage storage, covered large storage $75, $125, and then $150. Pod Pals, refundable deposit $200 or $300, non-refundable fee $200 or $300, monthly pet rents $35 or $70, so I'm assuming for one pet and for two pets. Utilities estimated: studio $80 to $100, one bedroom $90 to $110, and a two bedroom $100 to $120. Additional parcel pending $20, utility setup fee $15, and amenity fee $25. Let's get into the apartment itself. Like I have been doing for the last few videos, we're gonna talk about one of the units because all of the features are the same, and then we'll go into all of the amenities and the other units that I toured. Basically, this is the only type of floor plan that we toured. So here it is, and this one specifically is 769 square feet. I think that says 747 through 769. The reason that I like this apartment is because I feel like it is honestly really modern, very unique, cute, good looking. I like the way it looks. You have your tan floors, oak floors, and they look really good. It is all throughout the entire apartment, which I love. You guys know that I don't like carpet, so if I can find a place that has laminate floor, tile flooring, I don't really like tile either because it's really cold, but laminate flooring or wood flooring all throughout the entire place, that's a win for me for sure. And then going right into the restroom, you have like a dark, like very dark gray cabinet or a black cabinet. It looks black here, but in the next clip for the kitchen, it looks like a dark gray. So I'm not 100% sure what it was, I can't remember, but nonetheless, they were really pretty with black hardware and the black faucet as well, and white countertops. I think it just looks so good. I really love the black and white, the contrasting colors. Let me know, do you guys like it too, or do you guys like the silver
faucets and fixtures and stuff like that. The backsplash in the shower, you guys, I honestly really like this shower. I think whenever I have a house that I want to do black tiles in my shower for the backsplash, and I honestly really like the honeycomb backsplash that they have going on. I think it's unique, and I don't know, I just really like it. I like the dark colors. I also like the light colors like white and stuff like that, but I really like that backsplash. Like, something about it is just calling my name. And then again, just all around the bathroom, you know, all of the fixtures are like that matte black color. I really like that. I like black fixtures a lot. The full size washer and dryer, you guys, these washers and dryers in these apartments are really nice. I like the washers and dryers that have that like big black door. And then also something that I really love within apartments, and I didn't realize how much I loved it until I started seeing it in all of these apartments. They call it a mudroom. This one is like cute. They have shelves, they have built-in hooks for you guys, which I love. I really appreciate that. Everyone would appreciate that, to hang your keys, to put your shoes, to put your dog's leashes or your jacket, whatever it is. And then also you have a spot to sit down at the door and put your freaking shoes on. I like that. Going into the bedroom is decently sized, and again, the fact that they don't have carpet in the bedroom is, I like that. What can I say about the bedroom? It's decently sized and there's no windows in the bedroom. That's a problem for me. I would say that's probably the only thing that I really dislike about this apartment. It doesn't really bring that much natural light into your bedroom, and I don't know, I just think windows in all rooms are really important. I love windows everywhere. The closet as well, in at least all of the units that I toured, were basic size closets. I wish that the closets were a little bit bigger. It has shelves in it. It's not like a lot of shelves, but there are shelves in the closet, which is a nice feature. And then from the bedroom to the kitchen, there are stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. You have, you know, basic appliances. The stove here though, I really like the stove. It's one of those like grill top stoves. It's a normal stove. Oh my God. It's a normal stove. I just really like it looks like a grill on the top of it, and I like the way it looks. That's all I'm trying to say. Black, white, black, oak. I like the way the kitchen looks, and that honeycomb backsplash again is just so fire. I cannot. And then I skipped the living room, but we'll come back to it. We go straight out to the balcony, and this balcony is decently sized. It's decently sized, but the balcony, you could fit like some chairs on it, a couple of chairs, maybe a tiny table. On that wall of the apartment building across from you, there's going to be a mural, so you'll have something to look at. It won't just be a plain wall. The living room, honestly, you guys, is so spacious. You can fit a lot in this living room. The living room for this unit, for all of them, they felt really big. Like, you could fit your little home office in there and have like a nice place to put your couch. There's a lot of room. Let's get straight into the other units, and I just want to say, like always, you guys, I very much enjoy you guys coming to my channel, subscribing. I appreciate you so much. I love you guys so much for doing it. It makes my day when I see that another person has subscribed, so thank you. And please don't forget to like this video and comment. Let me know what you guys think of these apartments. Are you guys obsessed with these backsplashes like I am, or is it just me? I'll see you guys on Saturday for whatever video I decide to upload. Until then, goodbye.
Put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause fave.